Let's review gameplay for the ERPsim On-Demand S HANA Enterprise Asset Management Scenario. Your objective is to be the most efficient and cost-effective maintenance team, completing corrective, preventive and predictive maintenance on a series of tactical quiet generators. You are competing against 3 robotic players, a newbie, an average, and a mastermind, so listen carefully. In the sim, you pick your role. You are responsible for maintenance planning, resource scheduling, or procurement. The roles you don't select to play will be handled by bots or by colleagues you invite. In the sim controller is where you will start the sim. Whenever you're in doubt, I suggest you pause and look at the help. Now, let's look at your SAP system. The squares you see are Fiori apps, and these are what you use to complete tasks in the system. In round 1, as maintenance engineer, I want you to focus on corrective maintenance. Your generators will break down and need to be repaired as soon as possible. Focus on maximizing uptime and minimizing downtime. To do so, there are 2 steps. First, convert maintenance notifications to maintenance orders. And second, release maintenance orders so repair work can be scheduled by the resource manager. The maintenance planning row has everything you need to make decisions to plan for maintenance. Resource managers work in the second row. They are responsible for dispatching work orders to work centers, so repairs can be completed. These work centers differ with respect to capacity, availability, efficiency, and cost. In the third row, inventory specialists manage procurement. Maintaining a proper inventory, creating purchase orders for required spare parts, ensures all work dispatched by the resource manager can be completed in a timely manner, without delivery or work center delays. This is all you need to know for now. I'll come back later with additional instructions. You can always access the help, and if you want to spend more time reading it, you can always pause. Don't forget, all high scores are recorded on our global leaderboard. If you need my help, click here to activate me. So, you think you're up to the task?